Achieving a six-pack requires a multifaceted approach, integrating core muscle strengthening, cardiovascular exercise, and a balanced diet. While the goal of visible six-pack abs is common among fitness enthusiasts, often portrayed as a symbol of peak fitness, the benefits extend beyond aesthetics to overall health and well-being. Understanding the six-pack. The six-pack refers to the rectus abdominis muscle, which spans from the sternum to the pubic bone, flexing the spine. This muscle appears as visible segments when body fat is low. Despite its prominence, it is not highly effective in stabilizing the spine. Factors influencing six-pack visibility. Subcutaneous belly fat. The primary determinant of six-pack visibility is the amount of subcutaneous fat around the abdomen. Achieving visible abs typically requires a body fat percentage of 10 to 12% for men and 16 to 20% for women, significantly lower than the levels recommended for optimal health, which are 17.6 to 25.3% for men and 28.8 to 35.7% for women. Genetics. Genetics significantly influence fat distribution and the specific body fat percentage at which abs become visible. Individuals with a genetic predisposition to store fat in the hips may see their abs at higher body fat percentages than those who store fat around the midsection. Lifestyle factors. Sleep and stress levels greatly impact fat storage and overall body composition. Inadequate sleep is linked to higher obesity rates due to its effects on hunger-regulating hormones such as ghrelin, leptin, and insulin. High stress levels, reflected by increased glucocorticoid activity, are also associated with weight gain. Core training beyond aesthetics. While visible abs can be a motivating goal, core training primarily aims to enhance spinal stability and strength. The core includes muscles such as the transverse abdominis, multifidus, diaphragm, pelvic floor, internal and external obliques, and quadratus lumborum, which collectively stabilize the spine and facilitate functional movements. Health benefits of core training. Improved stability. Core strength training enhances balance and reduces the risk of falls. Athletic performance. Enhanced core strength correlates with better athletic performance, including improved running economy and endurance. Lower back pain. Strengthening the deeper core muscles can significantly reduce lower back pain. Designing a comprehensive core routine. A balanced core workout should include exercises covering all planes of motion: sagittal, forward and backward movements, frontal, side-to-side movements, and transverse, twisting or rotational movements. Both static and dynamic exercises are essential for training the core muscles for stability and movement. Sample core routine. Sagittal plane. Static, planks. Dynamic, sit-ups. Frontal plane. Static, side planks. Dynamic, side bends. Transverse plane. Static, anti-rotation holds. Dynamic, Russian twists. Perform 3 sets of static holds and 3 sets of 12 repetitions for dynamic exercises, totaling 6 exercises per workout. Strategies for revealing your six-pack. To achieve visible abs, consider these tips for reducing body fat. Adequate sleep. Ensure 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to support weight loss and overall health. Regular exercise. Incorporate both aerobic and resistance training into your routine. Consistent exercise helps reduce body fat and improves muscle definition. Nutritious diet. Focus on a diet rich in fresh fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Adequate protein intake supports fat loss while preserving lean muscle mass. Hydration. Replace sugary drinks with water. This simple change can significantly aid weight loss and help reveal abdominal muscles. Conclusion. Achieving a six-pack involves more than just targeting the abdominal muscles. It requires a holistic approach that includes a healthy diet, regular cardio, and comprehensive core training. While visible abs can be a motivating goal, the primary focus should be on building a strong, functional core that enhances overall health and reduces the risk of injury. With consistency, patience, and a balanced approach, you can work towards revealing your hard-earned six-pack abs.